Hi, this is Sunita Tekchan, and this is the second part of the hand reflexology. Today we're going to talk about immunity. So if you see here, we've got the spleen, we've got the lungs and the chest area, and we've got all the sinuses here on the tips of the fingers. So literally, on your left hand is where the spleen is located. You're going to go in between your ring finger and your little finger, and you're going to go here and you're going to press right here and stimulate the spleen area. To work the chest area, you're going to go across here and you're just going to thumb up all the way from the little finger all the way to the index finger. Just keep doing that a couple of times, and this really opens up the chest lung area. When you go up to the sinuses, you literally go up to the tip of the finger and you press. Tip of the finger, press. Tip of the finger, press. All 5 fingers. This opens up the sinus area to help you breathe better, and you can repeat the same on the other hand.